Well, hello, Jon Modene at RE/MAX here. Thanks for looking at this video. Before I begin, check out the right side of the page you're on. You'll see a sign-up sheet for MLStoledo.com, one of my MLS search sites that'll let you look at all the houses for sale in Northwest Ohio as they come on the market with excellent mapping, picture, and search tools. So avail yourself of that. Let's talk a little bit today about HomePath financing. You want to buy a Fannie Mae house and you're not sure how to finance it. May I suggest HomePath? It's Fannie Mae's own in-house mortgage program. I'm going to give you 3 or 4 reasons you ought to do it. 3 good and maybe 1 bad you ought to think about. Why should you use HomePath financing on a Fannie Mae property? And by the way, you can only use it on a Fannie Mae bank-owned, real estate-owned property, a foreclosed house owned by Fannie Mae. Here's the reason: lower closing costs, lower costs, and those savings add up quickly. Let's look at that. There's no appraisal at all. The appraisal's waived. By the way, the Fannie Mae houses have already been appraised by the listing broker and by a disinterested third-party appraiser. So they totally waive any appraisal cost and delay if you buy a HomePath property owned by Fannie Mae. Takes a little bit of variable out, a little bit of expense, a couple $100. Number next, no PMI, no private mortgage insurance, waived totally. Fannie Mae says we don't care how much down payment you're putting down, there's no PMI. So if you want to avoid the PMI charge, that's the way to do it. Use the HomePath program. Now, with these benefits come some rules, and here's the strictest, toughest rule. You have to live in the house. You have to be a real, true owner-occupant. You can't just say you're going to move in there for a day and then move out and say, oh, I changed my mind. Fannie Mae has the right to audit and check up to a year later to make sure you're still living in the house. So don't do this. Don't get a Fannie Mae HomePath loan if you're not going to live in the house. Number 2, you need a realtor to write the offer. You need a realtor trained in it to help you with the financing. Those are the 2 main rules. And if you can do that, you're going to save a lot of money. We know interest rates are low. The cost of money is at an all-time low, at least in my career, and probably your experience too. So if you want lower costs, no appraisal, no PMI, the Fannie Mae HomePath loan is a fantastic way to go. Thanks. Have a great day.